Hello, happy Monday, E4 kiddos. As you may have noticed, your assignment went up for this week. That will be your week 4 assignment. I believe it went live as of 8 a.m. today. I also just now, maybe 12:10, 12:15-ish, attached the graphic organizer that you guys got on that first assignment with that packet, the stuff you guys just turned in for week 3. I didn't realize that the graphic organizer on there, I didn't realize that once you guys turn things into the Google Classroom, that you can no longer get into those documents and manipulate them. So I just posted, I copied and pasted into a new, like all its own document, that morality unit graphic organizer, so that you guys can keep track of that as we continue to read these morality texts through the next 3 to 4 weeks, okay? I think I put that we'll be doing this through May 15th. That may change because there are some other things that we are talking about doing with our E4s, and by we, I mean the district. I do have a Zoom with our head of ELAR, as do all of the level chairs for English 4 in the district. So there's eight or nine of us who are going to be meeting this afternoon. As of now, I expect that we're probably going to read all of those pieces that are listed on that graphic organizer. So just keep it. You won't be turning it in until May 15th. That's what I've put for now, but that could change because we are going to plan weeks 6, 7, and 8 for you in the event that we are not allowed to go back on the 5th. Right now, this order just goes through the 4th. So I'm hoping I'll see you on the 5th, but if not, we do have to be prepared for that. So May 15th is kind of a tentative deadline for the graphic organizer, but I just wanted you guys to keep that for yourselves. Do not turn that in at the end of this week or at the end of next week. You will keep that until I tell you guys to turn that in, okay? Everything else that was posted for today, you will turn in at the end of the week, just like you guys did last week, okay? Those of you who are doing paper packets, I did pick up your work today, so I will grade everything that I have today. So you should see Skyward grades being entered at some point today. I'm not sure by when I will have that done because, as I said, I do have, actually, I have 2 Zoom meetings this afternoon. So I don't know how long those meetings are going to take me, okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know. I will do a Zoom for E4 only on Tuesday and Thursday this week at 11:30. I will send out a remind, and I'll send you guys, I'll do it about 30 minutes prior. About 11 a.m. you'll get a remind from me. And it will be the code and the password that you'll need to get into that Zoom. I want you guys to please do that with me if you have any questions or concerns. If that time doesn't work for you, just send me any questions or concerns you have through Remind, because I get those faster than I do email, but I'm also in front of my computer 8 hours a day pretty much anyway. So you can email me as well, all right? I hope everybody is doing very well. I miss you guys. I can't believe we're on week 4 of this. I wish we were back in our classroom. I miss you. I hope that you are all doing well. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.